Hello, my name is Peter Richardson, and I'm scheduled to teach a mini course this December called Brand New Beat. It's about the first decade of Rolling Stone magazine when it was headquartered in San Francisco between 1967 and 1977. I taught this material for many years at San Francisco State, but this is my first OLLI course here. I've written about Rolling Stone and have a new book on this topic coming out next spring, so it's very much top of mind for me. Given our time constraints, I want to make sure we understand the magazine's immediate social, political, and media context, also its founding concept and unique editorial formula, and maybe most importantly, the magazine's complicated relationship with counterculture. Rolling Stone was widely regarded as the best rock magazine of its time, but it was always more than a rock magazine, which is why many media historians now consider it not only the best rock magazine, but one of the most important American magazines of that period. I also want to consider how unlikely that outcome was, especially given the fact that the magazine was co-founded and edited by a 21-year-old dropout, Jan Wenner. We'll also touch on the magazine's biggest stories, including its coverage of the Altamont concert, its story about the Manson family during the murder trials in Los Angeles, and its investigative story on Patty Hearst and her underground activities immediately before her arrest in connection with the Symbionese Liberation Army. Finally, we'll consider some of the magazine's key figures. That includes its co-founders, Ralph Gleason and Jan Wenner, its music editor, Ben Fong Torres, maybe Cameron Crowe, perhaps Greil Marcus, but certainly chief photographer Annie Leibovitz, who got her first big start at Rolling Stone, and gonzo journalist Hunter S. Thompson, who famously covered the 1972 presidential campaign for Rolling Stone and didn't write about music at all. My view is if this isn't fun, we're not doing it right. So with that in mind, I hope you'll join us in December.